Hi everyone, good morning. So it's 6th of October today, and we have exactly 2 weeks left for Durga Puja to start in Kolkata, festive season. And so in this time, many people come, they suddenly get aware of their teeth and their smile and everything, and everybody walks in for a treatment to be done as soon as possible. But there are very few patients who are very particular about their hygiene, and they make it a point wherever they are in the world, they come back to us and they get their teeth checked, and whatever treatment is to be done, it has to be done. So one of those patients is Mrs. Kamdar, and she has been associated with us now more than 10 years, I think.
Yeah.
And she's staying now in the US, and whenever she is here, especially during the holiday, she, her husband, her daughters, they definitely come down and get the treatment done. Whether they have a problem or not, they are very particular about their hygiene, and everybody should learn this from her definitely. So, ma'am, like when we first met, so what was that made you, come over here?
I have a root canal problem. So I heard the name very nice name that Dr. Sethi is so good. Dr. Dontia, Dr. Sethi, whatever you call, is very good. So with that opinion, I came over here and met you, and I really, God bless me that I came over here.
God bless us. Thank you.
God bless you too.
So, since then you have been very particular
Very
because I
particular.
think that removed the fear of dentistry from you.
True, very true.
And now you must have, like today we took your measurement with a digital scan. We gave you the cap immediately so that because you
Yes.
were busy, you come from outside, you have some appointments, you are going out.
Yeah.
So you were very reluctant to come back again. So we have done it in the same visit. So now you must be understanding how dentistry has evolved. It's not the
True.
same old dentistry.
True.
So that is what I want you to share. When I say, so it's like because I'm doing it, nobody trusts that much. But
Yeah.
when somebody experiences and when they
True.
share, that is why it would be very good if you can share your point of view, like how
Yes,
the things have
sure.
changed.
Yeah, I have totally faith on Dr. Sethi. He is very good. I have no nowadays I don't afraid at all about my teeth. I can go immediately. I come India and I immediately go to Dr. Sethi, and whatever he suggests, I do like that only. So it's so good for me, and it saves a lot of money. In USA, it is very costly. Everybody knows. Yeah.
So now, like you are from Calcutta, so but now just for everybody to know, we even have a second clinic in near the airport,
Okay.
and we are now into dental tourism also. Like we have those who are new to this city, they come to explore the city of Kolkata and also have the dental problem.
Yeah.
So we have now included their stay and their sightseeing and also till the treatment is completed in a
Okay.
span of 2 days or 10 days, how much time they want.
Okay.
In between, when we are doing our work, their work is done by the time they are exploring Kolkata.
Wow.
So everything is in-house.
That's something new which I heard from dentist. Wow, that's good. I appreciate it.
Thanks a lot and wishing you happy puja and a good
Yeah, wishing you a happy puja too. And congratulations for your new clinic.
Thank you.
Thank you.